Hi guys, Shami here. So hope you guys are well, and today I'm just gonna make this video just to say that I've actually jumped off YouTube, and the reason for that is I've actually gone onto Instagram. So on Instagram I can do a lot more shorter videos compared to YouTube, where with YouTube you have to do a lot of video editing and you have to do kind of lengthy videos. So I've just decided to hop on Instagram for the short term. Maybe in the future I might jump back on YouTube, I'm not sure yet. But if you guys want to check out some trading tips or trading videos, then just check out Instagram right there. So my Instagram name's @SoloDayTrader, and I hope you guys are trading well and hope you guys have been well. And so there's been a lot of swings in the market lately. Like if you're able to catch these swings, these 5-10% moves, then that's great, because compared to an investment account, so if you're an investor and you stick 10 grand, which is your whole account size, into a stock and you're holding it for like 3 years, then most of the time you're only going to get like a 30% year-on-year return, and compared to like all the swings once they kind of average out. So if you're able to get into stocks and you're able to just like kind of use your full account size, or obviously you want to manage your risk as much as you can, if you're able to use your skills to trade to take advantage of, if a stock goes from $1 to $1.50, then you take your profits, and as it retraces back to $1.20, get back in again, and you can take some more profits there. So that to me is profitable compared to investing, because that's like kind of like cash flow. If the market drops, you're always going to be in cash at the end of the day. So just little tips on my side. That's just my sort of trading approach. I mean, there's a lot of investors out there, a lot of people on YouTube doing like random videos about this stock is overvalued, this stock is undervalued, or this this company's doing that, this company's doing that. Me personally, I just look at volume. If the price is going up, I'm looking for those dips, I'm catching them, and I'm just managing my risks, setting my targets, and taking my profits where I can. So again, if you guys want to check out any of my, any more trading tips, or, just check out my Instagram, @SoloDayTrader. So I'll see you there.